Hello, bestie. How have you been? How you doing? I hope you're good and doing well, and you're fine. So today we are vegetarians. If you are a vegetarian, please gather here because we're going to make this delicious, mouth-watering recipe. Actually, it is the best. Yeah. So I made this, and actually, I think I'm going to make it every week, if possible, every day. So we are having broccoli, we are having cucumber, we are having okra, we are having potatoes, and also capsicum, and what else? You are having tomato, yeah. So and onions. We're having red onion and also the spring onion. So guys, I hope you're well and doing fine wherever you are. Yeah. So I'm also doing fine. In case you're new here, please subscribe and welcome. Sorry for starting with the subscription. Yeah, welcome so much. Make it your home, please. And if you've been there, I'm so much grateful to always serving you along. Yeah. So thank you so much. Let's begin with our cooking. So we are going to wash this. As we do this, we are going to boil our broccoli and potatoes for about 10 minutes. Yeah, you should not overheat it, overboil it. Yeah. So after that, so you're going to see everything. Just follow the video bit by bit. Do not leave it in the middle. So watch until the end. I hope you enjoy. So we're going to shallow fry our potatoes for about 5 to 7 minutes. Yeah, so when it starts to turn brown, okay, that's when you can remove it. So that is black pepper. Mm, yeah, and my paprika was I ran out of paprika, so I'm going to use a little bit of cayenne because also the kids are going to take this. As you know, cayenne is always so it's full of chili. Yeah, so there's a recipe. I'm telling you, it was so sweet. It was so yummy. I just wanted to try it. Yes. So guys, we're going to allow this to simmer for about 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes, voila, that's how it looks. So we are going to add our potatoes, and then to that we are going to add our okra. Then we allow it to simmer for 1 minute, and it will be done. And guys, just like that, voila, we are ready. We are ready to eat. Yes. So we're going to serve these, and it looks good, and also it tasted yummy. It was so yeah, so thank you so much for staying until this time. I don't take that for granted. In case you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you haven't liked, please like, and also comment on what you think of the recipe. Yeah, because I know this was the best and the most yummiest vegetable. Yeah, as I told you, if you are a vegetarian, I got you. Yeah, so thank you so much, and it's a wrap on my end. Yeah, so take care until we meet on the next video. It's a wrap on my end. Bye.